Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with me Kirti. Today I'm going to make some simple decoupage Christmas cards for upcoming Christmas season. Let's have a look at materials: decoupage glue, mixed media essentials, texture paste, some die cuts cardstocks, and CrafTangles letter to Santa decoupage specialty papers. The materials used here are sponsored by CrafTangles. These 70 GSM decoupage papers are very thin for card making, so we are going to provide a backup using cardstock. I'm going to use CrafTangles decoupage glue onto my cardstock and adhering these decoupage sheets on the cardstock. Careful not to let form any bubbles. As these specialty decoupage papers are very thin, I'm careful not to apply the glue onto my decoupage paper. Repeat the same steps with remaining 4 sheets. While these sheets are drying, I have prepared these papers for background of my cards. I have used this CrafTangles texture paste along with a stencil to achieve some very beautiful glittery shiny background for one of my cards. Let us compare the results using embossing folder and texture paste giving unicorn effect. I'm just so loving it. After the decoupage papers backed on cardstock dried off really well, I used some circular die cuts to cut the important image part from the decoupage papers like this. These are the final images that I have chosen to use on my cards, and I am loving the vintagey feel of these images. It's time to define the borders of these die cuts using chalk ink. I have chosen red color to go with my theme. This step helps to define the borders of these die cuts. Now everything that we need for making the cards is ready, and it's time to assemble the cards. I have used double-sided tape at the back of my background, die cuts, and as well as my frame images. Somewhere I have also added some backing tape, foam tape, and chipboards to add the dimensions to the layers of my cards. Now I will leave you with some awesome music to enjoy the process of assembling the cards. I hope you enjoyed watching the making of these Christmas cards using the decoupage papers and are inspired to use our CrafTangles decoupage papers to use some awesome Christmas cards of your own. And if you feel so, don't forget to let me know in the comments. Here are the detailed images of my cards. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's me, Kirti Gupta, signing off. You can also follow me on my Instagram to check out what I do apart from creating these amazing tutorials. Me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram under the name Kirti's Craft Castle. It's time to say goodbye.